All right. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to add a capture card to your MacBook when you are using TikTok Live Studio on Mac. So it's a bit different from how capture card set up in the Windows ecosystem. So you'll notice that in Windows ecosystems or any Windows OS rather, when you click on add source here, usually there's a button that says capture card. Then you can also cast your phone, your Android or your iOS phone. So it's a little bit different when you are doing the same thing for MacBooks. So what you want to do now is you need to add, assuming you have already connected your capture card to your MacBook. Maybe you want to stream games from the PS5 and all of that. You need to click on camera here. So after clicking on camera, what you then need to do is go ahead and select the Elgato HD60X. So you might have a different capture card, and as you can see, it's already showing up here. Then once you do that, you can add it as a source. So usually I find it that if you're streaming on, let's say, TikTok, you need to stick to around 30 FPS. But because 60 FPS feels weird, and it also depends like where you're streaming, like the country. When it's like low connectivity and all of that, you might need lower frames. So as you can see right now, it's a bit flipped. So what you then need to do is you click on flip here to flip it the other side, because it would have been assuming that this is a camera. So you then click on add source. So there you have it. You have your capture card. But the next thing that you might see, let's say we try and record here. Let me try and move my character to make them maybe do something here. So on my headphones there is sound, but let's say we stop recording and we try to figure out sort of, let's see if the sound is there, because the problem that you usually get now is when you, let's say, go here, you try to play the music, it doesn't play, right? So it means you're capturing only the video part. So to then capture the audio part of the capture card, you need to go into your audio mixer here. You click on audio mixer, then you click on add on microphones here. You click add. Then on the microphone device, what you're going to do is you're going to select your capture card. So there you have it, the Elgato HD60X. And now in terms of noise suppression, we really don't want any extra processing on your capture card audio. We just want it raw. That's what she said. So you click on off under noise suppression here. Then everything else here, you don't need to change anything here. But let's say there's no synchronization with what's happening. That's when you click on audio offset, and there are a lot. You can just figure that part out. So when you then click on add here, you then notice that I've muted my microphone here so that it doesn't pick up here. So when you then try to play in a game like this, you notice that the audio is now moving, and if you record and everything, so what it then means is your audio will start working, everything start working, and you'll be able to stream on TikTok. So if you want any other help with how to set up your streams and how to really get around all of these, then you can just suggest in the comments. But anyways, thank you for watching. You can follow if this helped you. Bye.